Hey, this is Bryce over here at NWA Mobility here in Springdale, Arkansas. I want to show you a car that we just took in. Here is a 2004 Toyota. Really nice looking little car. I'm going to try to go over this car as fast as I can here and make this video not too long. Show you everything about it. And I'm going to try to be as transparent as I possibly can on this car. Okay? So let's go and take a view of this 2004 Toyota. And as you can see, it's called a ramp van. Passenger side, really super clean on this van. Let's go and take a look at it here, okay? Okay, let's get a full look at this van right now. Gonna look at it. I've got Cayman in there. He's gonna kind of operate the controls right now, and you're gonna see this is a great van for people that want one that's automatic. And you can't find a lot of these out there that's gonna be at this price range. So here we go. Let's take a look at this deal. Gonna open up the door. All automatic. Door opens. And the ramp's gonna come out. There you go. I'm gonna walk in here and take a look at this interior. We've got a carpeted floor instead of it being a vinyl floor. If you look at the seats back here in the back, they look in really good shape. It's got front and rear air. Bucket seats up in the front. There, as you can see, they're removable bucket seats. Table console. I want you to look at the mileage on this van. Got 136,000 miles on this Toyota van. The van's in really super good shape. Now I'm going to do a walk around on the van. Okay, we're going to let the doorway back in. All automatic, pressing the button. Okay, now I'm going to do a walk around of the van so you can see everything about it, be a little transparent on the van. Look at the tires on this van. They're not brand new, but they are in real great shape. You wouldn't know that they were not brand new tires. We have complete maintenance records on this van. So, go walk around it. Toyota Sienna LE. And this van was originally done here in Fayetteville, Arkansas by Presidential Conversion. Company now is Superior. So, anybody that knows that two good companies doing conversions here in this area. Now, like I said, I'm going to be pretty transparent on this van. I'm going to show you the bad part on it. Right here at the door, it's lost its clear coat. Paint the clear coat. Not really bad. It's not going to be anything that really hurts the operation of this van. But if you'd like to have this fixed, we can send it into the shop. There's our shop right there. Put it into the body shop, put it in the paint shop, get the door painted. Naturally, it's going to add to the price of the van. Go around the front of the van. Front of the van looks really good, really clean. No body damage. Van's never been in a wreck. There's your headlights. Again, something else. Headlights can be changed out to brand new headlights, and that can be made to look new. So here you go. It's the 2004 Toyota Sienna. And great van. Got a lot of life in this van. We're going to price this van at right now at $9,600. So under the $10,000 mark for anybody that's looking for a really top-notch handicapped van. Not a Dodge Caravan like some of the other ones. You can see my Dodge out here. I've got some Dodge. These are manuals. These are 2016s. If you want a 2016, you don't care if it's manual. I've got these 2016s running about 18 to 19.5. 140,000 miles, pretty much the same as this car right here. All of them are good values and good handicap van. Anyway, thanks for looking. Go to our website if you want to see more about this van. It's under NWA Mobility. That's NWA Mobility here in Springdale, Arkansas. Thanks for looking. Again, if you're looking for a really nice van, here you go. 2004 Toyota Sienna. Thanks for looking. Talk to you guys later. Bye.